The value of a home will appreciate over the long run. There'll be cycles where it will be higher and lower. Homes, as we know, can drop in value. But over the long run, if you settle in and stay in your home, you take care of it, it will appreciate like a savings account. Now, there's research that's been done by an economist, Robert Shiller, on housing. In fact, it's an interesting chart showing 100 years of inflation-adjusted housing values. Housing values have stayed remarkably stable once adjusted for inflation. Of course, the prices and values are much higher than they once were, and that's the good news. As everything becomes more expensive, the value of that home becomes more expensive as well. My advice to any homeowner is treat your home like a savings account. It's not exciting, but it will grow slow and steady over time. Be careful getting excited by the fluctuations, because it may look as though you've developed some great wealth. Now, if you're in a position to be able to cash out at market highs and stay out of the market, I suppose there's opportunity there. And I think some people take that approach. There, however, isn't a great advantage of pulling out in the market high only to buy in at a market high and then watch that value drop. In fact, that's hurt so many people over the years who took money that they made selling a property that had grown substantially in value, pulled out a bunch of cash, lived well with the money, bought into something else only to be underwater for a number of years with a higher mortgage and a greater debt.